Hey everyone, I hope you are doing well. In this video, I will show you how to transfer crypto from Robinhood to your Uniswap app. So make sure you watch this video till the end. So first you need to do is open up your Uniswap app and then you need to click on this receive button. After you do that, you will be able to get your Uniswap wallet address. So to copy it, you need to click on this copy icon right next to your wallet address. So just click on that and your wallet address will be copied. So once you have copied the wallet address, what you need to do is open your Robinhood app and then you need to click on crypto tab from the bottom of your screen. Then it will show you all the cryptocurrencies that you have in your wallet address. So for example, I have BTC, or if you have any other currency, it will show right under the BTC option. So just select the cryptocurrency that you want to transfer. Then from the screen you have to scroll down and you will see these two options, send and receive. So just click on send button. Then it will open up your camera so you can scan the QR code directly from here. But if you want to paste the wallet address, you can simply click on this enter manually option. Then you need to paste the wallet address that you have copied from Uniswap wallet and then click on this continue button. It can show you this warning, so just simply click on this I acknowledge button, then enter the amount that you want to transfer and then click on continue again. Now on the screen simply double check everything, so make sure you have the wallet address and the amount is correct, and then once you satisfy with details, click on this submit button, and that's it. Your cryptocurrency will be transferred from your Robinhood to your Uniswap. So I hope this video was helpful. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.